how to get TikTok and CapCut back after you deleted those apps. If you're one of the people who deleted your TikTok or CapCut, and if you are in the United States, just like myself, after the TikTok ban, today I want to give you the solution, okay? There are many methods on the internet people are talking about, but they are not working anymore. Only this method is guaranteed to work, okay? So let me show you my screen. And if you like this video, at the end of this training, make sure you subscribe my channel and also leave the comment down below. Then I'll put out more training videos like this, okay, for you guys. This is my screen, okay? You can see I actually accidentally deleted CapCut, right? I was frustrated after the TikTok ban. This morning, I just got it back, okay? You can see right here, the CapCut app. Okay, so let me show you step by step how to do it. Number one, you need to go to your setting, okay? Then make sure you turn on airplane mode and connect your phone to your local Wi-Fi, okay? Your home Wi-Fi. That's step number one. Step number two, click on your name, okay? Log into your iCloud account. Then you're gonna scroll down, okay? You're gonna select media and purchases. Media and purchases, okay? Then you're gonna select view account. Once you are in there, basically you need to change your account from USA to Canada. So you're gonna scroll down, you see the country and region. I already changed it to Canada, okay? So if you are in the United States, just tap on country and region and select Canada, okay? Let me show you. You're gonna change country and region, then you're gonna select Canada, okay? Select Canada. Then you're gonna go through the process, okay? Now, back here, when you do that process, it will also ask you to set up your payment information, okay? You can use your credit card, you can use your PayPal. Pay attention, there is one option, you can select none, okay? So you're gonna select none because we don't have Canadian payment option, right? Credit card. You're gonna simply select none. Then underneath that, it will ask you to put in your billing address and phone number. Like myself, I don't have a Canadian address and I don't have a Canadian phone number. Okay, the solution is very easy. You just simply go to your Safari, right? You're gonna search, simply type in on your search bar random Canadian addresses. Then there are many options. Okay, let me show you. You just put in random Canada address. I just go with the first one. Then you just simply copy paste any address you want to use, okay? Like this morning, I think I selected number 5, but you can use any random address you find. Just copy paste, save it into your notepad. Now, you need a Canadian phone number, right? Do the same process. You're gonna say random Canada phone number. I went for the first one, right? Random Canada phone number. Let me backtrack. I think I go for this one, okay? Cool generator, Canada phone number generator. Just copy paste any one you like, okay? Copy this one, right? Then you're gonna put them all into your notepad, like what I'm doing here. Then you're gonna fill in this information inside your account setting, okay? Just put in the Canada address and Canada phone number, then submit it. You're gonna get approved. Then congratulations, now your account is in Canada. But we need to go through one more step, okay? Don't just download CapCut right away or TikTok right away. You need to install another app, which is VPN, okay? You need to just simply search inside your app store, VPN. I downloaded this one, okay? VPN. So you're gonna download this VPN. Make sure your phone is still in the airplane mode. Don't connect it to your local cell phone network. Put it in the airplane mode. Then download this VPN app. They have pay option, but I use free option, okay? So you're gonna select the free option. It's at the bottom of the screen. It will ask you to pay, but don't worry, they have free option, okay? You just need to watch the ad first, then you can use it. So go for the free option. So once you are in there, then you're gonna select Canada, okay? You're gonna connect your phone to Canada network. You see here, and also let me show you the setting. You see my phone is still under airplane mode, but I connected to my home Wi-Fi, and also I'm on VPN. Once you get all this done, then just simply go to App Store, right? Then you can download again. You see here, if you are in the United States, you won't see this app because it's already removed by Apple Store. Okay, so you're gonna go change your account to Canada, follow my process step by step, then boom, now you have CapCut and TikTok back. Congratulations. Okay, now if you like this video, if you receive value, make sure you subscribe my channel, right? Hit that like button and also drop a comment. Okay, let me know your thoughts if you do receive value from this video. And for those of you, if you are using CapCut, if you are using TikTok to create content online, right? And if you want to learn how I make money from home, this you can see I generate this $1,000 day, $1,000 day, right? Selling digital products online. And here are our students selling different information products online, right? Like Jack, he just made over $26,000, 100% doing this from home using our phone. If you want to learn how to do this, click the link in the video description, okay? Me and my partner, we have this 5-day challenge. We're gonna teach you step by step how to set up your home-based business, doing exactly what we are doing and generate income online. Okay, so click the first link down below in the video description and join our 5-day home business challenge. Let's go.